Alright guys, we're back and I've just been looking around here at the edge of the road. You see I'm over here in the ditch at the edge of this road. Been looking right out in here, right here on this bank. I've already found several flakes and stuff. You see all them flakes and debitage? There's one piece here. A piece here, it looks like a scraper. I'll show you all here in a little bit better. But there's all the flakes and debitage. I just stopped here at this little creek and I was looking in the road, at the edges of the road, edge of the creek, right here in the ditch. I found all these flakes and debitage here. Alright, I'm back. Here's that one piece I was wanting to show y'all. At first I was thinking just a flake or a debitage, but it's definitely flint. But there's micro serrations all around the edge. And if you look here at the very end, it's kind of like a little end scraper. If you can see there on that end, all the micro serrations. Anyway, we're just out driving around looking.